Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo in Canva. So for this, first of all, you just have to open canva.com and then here you have to tap on this create design and you have to enter your size, whatever size you want to, and then simply you will find this window here. So go to text and tap on this add a heading, and now you can just write the words you want to create logo for. I'm going for D first and then I will change the font here. As you can see, let's resize it, and now tap on this D and tap on this double plus icon. As you can see, it's now double. Now I will change this and go for this styles and I will change the color. Now when we are done, we have to overwrite it a little bit like this and select both of them. Now we can reposition it, and after this adjust it a bit more so it will be on right. Now left click on it and tap on this copy, and you have to tap on this Ctrl V to paste here in the second page. Now tap on this share button and tap on this download. You have to download transparent PNG. Select only this page 2 and tap on this done. Now tap on this download, and when the download is done, you have to drag and drop on Canva again and simply drag it to your main page here. And now left click on it again and tap on this send to back. Now drag your downloaded transparent PNG and drop on your main panel. Now resize it to the original one and tap on this bring to front. Now as you can see, it's looking like a logo, and that's how you can create logos easily in Canva. So you can try different logos on Canva as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.